The action camera market is a battleground where innovation is the ultimate weapon. GoPro, the undisputed titan of this arena, is gearing up to unleash its next masterpiece, the Hero 13 Black. Whispers from the industry suggest this isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Let's dive into the leaked details and explore what this camera might mean for adrenaline junkies, content creators, and tech enthusiasts alike. The stakes have never been higher. GoPro has enjoyed an almost monopolistic reign in the action camera sphere. However, the landscape is evolving rapidly. Competitors like DJI and Insta360 are nipping at their heels, offering compelling alternatives. The Hero 13 Black is GoPro's opportunity to not only maintain its dominance, but to solidify it. The previous Hero 12 was a formidable contender, but the bar has been raised. To stay ahead, GoPro needs to deliver a product that not only outperforms its predecessor, but also leaves the competition in the dust. It's a tall order, but based on the leaks, the Hero 13 Black might just deliver. Unmasking the Hero 13 Black leaked specs and design, while official details are still under wraps. Industry insiders have shared tantalizing tidbits about the Hero 13 Black. Let's break down the rumored features. Sensor upgrade. The heart of any camera is its sensor, and the Hero 13 Black is rumored to boast a groundbreaking new image sensor. This could mean a significant leap in image quality, low light performance, and dynamic range. Resolution reinvented. The most jaw-dropping rumor is the potential for 8K video capture at a smooth 60 frames per second. This would be a game changer, offering unparalleled detail and clarity for your action-packed footage. Speed Demon. To complement the high resolution, the Hero 13 Black is expected to handle 4K footage at an astonishing 120 frames per second. This opens up possibilities for slow-motion effects that will leave your audience breathless. Stabilization supremacy. GoPro has always been synonymous with rock-solid image stabilization. The Hero 13 Black is rumored to take this to new heights, ensuring your footage is smooth even in the most chaotic conditions. Audio enhancements. Clear audio is often overlooked in action cameras. The Hero 13 Black is expected to address this with improved wind noise reduction and overall audio quality. Design evolution. While the iconic GoPro form factor is likely to remain, expect refinements in ergonomics and durability. Rumors suggest a more robust build and improved button placement for easier operation. Pro mode possibilities. The biggest surprise might be the inclusion of a Pro mode. This would give experienced users granular control over settings like exposure, ISO, and shutter speed, opening up creative possibilities previously reserved for DSLR cameras. A new era of action. If these leaks hold true, the Hero 13 Black is poised to redefine what's possible with an action camera. It's not just about capturing the moment, it's about capturing it in stunning detail, with cinematic quality, and with unparalleled creative control. Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial shots in 8K, diving into the depths with crystal clear underwater footage, or documenting your mountain bike adventures with smooth, stabilized video. The Hero 13 Black promises to make these dreams a reality. The challenge is standing out. While the Hero 13 Black looks promising, GoPro faces a formidable challenge. Smartphones are becoming increasingly capable video recording devices. With features like computational photography and advanced stabilization, they are closing the gap on dedicated action cameras. To justify the premium price of a GoPro, the Hero 13 Black must offer a compelling value proposition. It needs to be more than just a camera, it needs to be a complete ecosystem. This includes durable housings, versatile mounts, and seamless integration with GoPro's software and apps. Conclusion. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is more than just a product, it's a statement. It's a declaration that GoPro is not content to rest on its laurels. It's a promise to push the boundaries of what's possible in action cameras. If the rumors are accurate, the Hero 13 Black could be a watershed moment for the industry. It has the potential to inspire a new generation of content creators and redefine how we capture and share our adventures. We eagerly await the official announcement and the opportunity to put this camera to the test. Until then, the speculation and excitement will continue to build. What are your thoughts on the leaked specs of the GoPro Hero 13 Black? Are you excited about the potential of this camera? Share your opinions in the comments below.